Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily energy, Scorpios, we are picking few cards. For your love reading, guys, I have a detailed pick a card love reading coming right after this daily energy. So, if you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch that pick a card love reading, Scorpios. So, let's start with the daily reading, guys. So, for your daily energies, it's 5 of fire, hermit, and 9 of water. So these are the cards, guys. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. So this is the time for you to rethink about certain things. Maybe you have made up your mind on certain things. You have that inclination towards certain path in your life or decisions, but today you have to watch your step where you are going, Scorpio. So you have to think and then proceed. So it may be something in your career situation, some choices you have made, or it may be something in your personal life. So you have to think with that different point of perspective. So what other people will think, or what will your perspective be if you are in their position. So you have to think out clearly in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, each and every one of us have our own ideas, we have our own point of view, and we have our own beliefs and faith. So all our choices or all our decisions will differ, ideas will differ. So we have to understand that each and every one of us is unique and different. So if you want to collaborate in your business, or if you want to be with this person in this relationship, you have to accept that they are different from you, and you need to work a way to understand each other if you want this relationship to flourish, guys. So if you understand this, you will be able to work magic in your connection. And I also see that you have that completeness today. Your dreams are coming true for all of you guys, and whatever you have wished for, you are getting that beautiful results today. So it may be in your career again, or it may be in your personal life. So you are moving in a very positive way, Scorpios. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Scorpios. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, today it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So I will be picking a few cards from each deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it and choose the cards. Close your eyes, think of your situation, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys, but these are general readings. So whatever I say, everything may not resonate for you, but a few points here and there may resonate. So you watch till the end, guys. You watch till the end of the reading. So I will pick the cards after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start with this card first. I will keep this card aside. I'll be picking few cards, guys, from this deck randomly. So you can think about your situation, what needs clarity in your situation, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's see. It is Empress in reverse, Postulant of stars, and Initiate of moons in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, it may be the energy, your energy towards this connection, or your person's energy towards you or this connection. So in this connection, you are quite curious. Maybe you are in that phase, you want to know more about this person. So or you are very much attracted to them, you are interested in them, and you are just rushing in without that deep thought. Or maybe you are really young, a very young age, and you have that curiosity to jump into this connection, to understand this person right away. And you are the person who is going for those impulsive actions. So actions without deep thought. So again, that may be quite that may work against you sometimes. So this person may think you are acting without thought, impulsively, and reacting all of a sudden. And I also see that you are in this connection, maybe for that attraction, you have that attraction with them, with this person, and this may be a new connection, guys. That is the reason we see curiosity and interest in that other person, in that love, and you are having a great time with this person. So that attraction is there. It may be a physical attraction, or that new love, that attraction which is there when it is a new love. So that is what I see, guys. And maybe this person also has that reciprocating that same love towards you. So they may not be in this connection for that deep bond, guys. They are just here for that attraction or intimacy, or just they consider this connection just like a fling, maybe a pastime. So you need to be careful if you have that deep love with this person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is coming with the second pile of cards. So this is your second pile. We'll be picking 3 cards randomly, guys. So these are the cards. So let's see what is coming with these cards. You can think of your situation, guys. It's 4 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, and Wheel of Fortune. So in your situation today, for those who have chosen this card, this person you are in connection with, they are quite possessive. They are just clinging on to you. They want to control you in every way possible, and they are having their own ways of thinking. So they want to impose their ideas and views on you, and they want to take control of you and your decisions in this connection, in this love. But I also see that happiness and emotional satisfaction is there in this connection, guys, in this love. Maybe this person you are in love with, they are well settled in life, in their career, everything is going well, so they have this happiness. The same way in your personal life together, they find peace and happiness with you, and they are really happy to be in this connection with you, so that emotional satisfaction is there. But apart from this possessiveness, you it may be a positive kind of possessiveness, that deep bonding that brings that kind of a relationship. Or it may be their true concern, they are truly concerned about you. That may again be the reason for the way they are trying to help you out and support you in every way. So it may not be a control, it may be a form of help and support, the way they are expressing their love. But if it is a bad kind of possessiveness, you have to be careful, guys. But other than that, I see that it is destiny that is bringing this person in this life with you. So this may be a positive connection for some of you, the way it is going. So there is also love, but there may be few negatives in this relationship. We see possessiveness, or the way they are trying to control your decisions. So other than that, I see love and happiness and emotional satisfaction in this connection, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.